Hi, I am Brandon Bowie, and I will be writing or showing you how to write the standard equation of a circle. So, first we have a circle that specifies 2 points, 2 points. Blue represents the center, and green is a point that sits on top of the circle. Now, to write the center of the circle, or to first find the equation, you have to think about the center, which is 1, 0. Now, that's our center. It's pretty important. Now, next, we have to find the radius, which is the distance between the center and any point on the circle. And in this example, we will be using this green one. Connect that and connect that. Just make this a little thicker. A little too thick. Okay. Now let's make it green. The distance of this line will represent the radius, which is r. We can now how would we find the radius? Now that we have it, we don't really have what it's worth or equal to. So we're gonna set up a right triangle using the distance formula, which came from the Pythagorean theorem. So we'll make this line to 4, and we'll make this line. That's a weird line. Oh, that's better. So this line first, right here, that one will represent our change in x. So change in x. And this line right here, will represent our change in y. Now we can say that r squared, oh that's so weird, r squared is equal to the change in x, the change in x squared plus the change in y squared. Now what is our change in x going to be? So to find that, we'd start with our ending x minus our starting x, which is 4 minus 1. That gives us 3. This will be our change in x, so equals the second power. Then we can use the same thing to find our change in y. So we'll be doing which gives us our change in y, which is -4. We can also find that by counting, if you'd like to do that too. So 1, 2, or not that one, but 1, 2, 3, 4 gives us -4, and we can plug that in over here, which is 4 to the second power. Fix my 3. Now we can write the now we have to find the radius. So you know that here. R squared is equal to 3 to the second power is 9 plus 4 to the second power, which is 16. And that we have that, we'll add them together. 9 plus 16, 25. To the second power is equal to 25. And we can find it by simplifying more, which gives us 5, you know, just going into power. And this is what our radius is. Now that we have all that information, we can write the equation for the circle. The circle is going to be all the points that are all x and y that are 5 away from the center. So all around, kind of like that. To find this, it is going to be x minus the x coordinate. So x minus, x minus the x coordinate of the center. Almost forgot that one. That's important. X minus 1 plus y minus 0 equal to r squared. We can also just put, if you want, I think, no, let's stick to r squared. So we'll put 25 in here. I said janky looking 25. Let's fix that. 25.